guys, welcome back to Creativity Queen. So today I'll be showing you how to make a glitter alphabet keychain. Here I made an A keychain. You can try it in any alphabets you like. And if you guys want to see more glitter paper crafts, then do check out my glitter craft playlist, and the link will be given down in the description, so you guys can check it out. And do subscribe to my channel for more creative content. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. So let's get started. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support, and today's shout out goes to these 3 subscribers. So thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video. Till then, bye.